Y'all want to see some crazy winds? This is some crazy winds. It's actually slowed down a little bit, but it was flat going out here for just a minute. This is Oklahoma, May 19th, 2017. Actually, no, it's May 18th, sorry. 2017. And this is how it goes. And I'm going to get in the truck and I'm going to listen to the radio. I don't think there's any tornadoes anywhere near here, but yeah, I'm not entirely sure. So I'm going to listen to the radio and see what's going on weather-wise. But apparently ain't too much going on right now because, well, if there was, then KOMA, which is the radio station there, would be broadcasting about it. Let me check another station right quick. 96.1.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Washington, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, New Castle, Noble, Slaughterville, Goldie,
representing Oklahoma City,
Cole, Lake Thunderbird, and Little X. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 97 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Move to a room on the lowest floor of the building, but guess who's going to the 7-Eleven? Okay, so that's a little bit of what's going on here. If anything else, if there's any updates or whatever, then I guess I'll get on here and let everybody know. Alright, peace.